Welcome to Furnace Repair Southeast Portland, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're searching for trustworthy HVAC contractors in your neighborhood, you need to look at no other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our expert team can offer services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC industry and can handle any of your toughest HVAC problems. Our highly skilled HVAC contractors and technicians are highly skilled across all aspects of the heating and cooling industry. They provide outstanding service with exceptional results, outstanding customer service and affordable pricing. Our team is proud of staying current in codes and technology in order to keep your family and home well maintained. We love what we do, and that can be seen in the high quality of workmanship on every job, no matter the size or complexity. Our HVAC technicians handle small heating and cooling tasks that range from routine maintenance calls to huge central installation of cooling and heating systems. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the top and most reliable professionals in the field. Your work is done right every time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to continue our relationship even after your new equipment has been installed or fixed. Our ongoing service is designed to keep your unit operating efficiently without causing breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services that include furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, and many other services. Our policy has always been simple, which is to offer competitive prices by using highly skilled HVAC technicians that do not charge extra charges, and backed with an unconditional guarantee of the quality of work. For any heating or cooling issues, or installation services in your home or office, our HVAC technicians are here to assist you. We offer options for pricing for each repair/expert, guaranteed workmanship, emergency and weekend service, as in warranties on every parts and labor. Please visit us at our website or phone us at 503-300-6124.